Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm so excited for this episode because I'm going to be sharing with you a vegan mac and cheese with broccoli. The sauce is made with cashews, it's nice and cheesy without any cheese at all. You're going to love it, so if you guys love mac and cheese, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm doing is I've got a big pot of water in the back behind me. I've salted it, put a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna make the elbow macaroni in that. And then about 2 minutes before it's done, I'm gonna add in all of my broccoli. That way it's also al dente with the pasta. So while that is all happening behind me, I am gonna make the pasta sauce, or the cheese sauce. And that cheese sauce is gonna have a water. We need to be able to blend it. And then the key ingredient is cashews. Cashews gives a really nutty, cheesy flavor. So if you're trying to be dairy-free, it's a perfect alternative. So just putting everything in my blend tech. This is some nutritional yeast. It gives it really nice, cheesy flavor. All right, and then I've got some lemon juice. Roughly about 3 tablespoons. And then I've got some spices here. So your basic salt and pepper, and then also I've got turmeric, mustard. This is onion powder, garlic powder. I've got some cayenne in the middle and a little bit of chili pepper on the side here. It's gonna give it really good flavor. Okay, so now I am going to blend this. All right. This is what it should look like. Oh, look at that. So I want mine to be a tiny bit more thin. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Not too much, but you kind of have to play around with it, get it to the consistency that you like. And then I'm just gonna quickly just blend it. Actually, just gonna mix it. All right, so I just drained my broccoli and my pasta. So here it is, perfectly al dente right now. And now I'm just gonna add my quote unquote cheese sauce to this. Oh yes. And then make sure and scrape every little bit of it. Okay, so I put all of it in, give it a good mix. And then if you find that you want it to be a little bit more of a runnier consistency, I saved a little bit of the pasta water. It's got good starch in it so that if you add it, it'll be a little bit creamy. So first I'm gonna mix it and see if I even need the water. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water just to make it a little bit runnier. But this smells so good, and look at that, so creamy with no cheese. All right, so I ended up adding the whole entire cup, and now this looks perfect. Okay, so I've got a bowl on the side here for my taste test. Oh, you guys, that looks so delightful. All right, I'm gonna wait for this to cool down and then I'll have a taste test. Wow. All those spices and the crunch from the broccoli, this tastes so good. And honestly, you don't miss the cheese at all. I feel like I have a really good cheesy flavor. I've also got kind of a spice because of the chili pepper and the cayenne pepper that we used. This is absolutely delicious. If you have some cashews just kind of laying around, use it up, make this cheese sauce, you will not be sorry. So if you guys love vegan mac and cheeses, easy pasta recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.